My name is Erin Deely. Most currently, the thing that binds me or creates a sense of fulfillment in my involvement in the church is helping to coordinate homeless hospitality. And just this year I decided to rename that Hospitality for the Homeless, because to me that really speaks to what we're trying to do. It's the most fundamental human kindness one to another. I think of simply providing a warm place to sleep, warm meals, but even more importantly, treating each other as individuals, as people. And oftentimes the homeless are not seen by others and ignored. And I would even say in our own congregation, folks are uncomfortable spending time actually sitting down and having a meal and a conversation. And I can't say that I wasn't a little nervous and wasn't sure how to conduct myself or how to handle it or manage the situation. But very quickly after starting to help run it with Beth Newhouse, within 5 minutes, it's just like you or me, anybody. And there's so many issues to why folks are homeless. I always feel so good, despite whether I have to spend all night here or get here at 5 a.m. I'm walking on air after I've been here and had an opportunity to treat another human being that's down on their luck.
I'm Harry Lumo. After being affiliated with this church for close to 40 years, when I saw that our minister and the empowerment team backed our taking on the No More Deaths mission, so to speak, I felt that was the single most significant social action that this church has ever taken.
My name is Lila Pine. They helped us organize several town hall meetings at the church so that No More Deaths could give presentations and answer everyone's questions. After all that work, it was really gratifying that when the final vote was taken, the congregation voted unanimously to approve our partnership with just 2 abstentions. UUs rarely take a unanimous stand on anything. It's also been great to see almost 20 members of our congregation volunteer with No More Deaths in just the first year. But the best part for me came at the UUA General Assembly in Minneapolis last June, when the UUA President, Peter Morales, presented our congregation with the 2010 Bennett Social Justice Award for our work with No More Deaths. I was thrilled to join Diane in receiving the award, and they gave us a standing ovation. I've never felt so proud of the spirit of compassion and hope this congregation has offered to stop the deaths and the suffering at the border.